Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. Number 7, I can put number 3 and number 4. Now we need to separate them in here. So we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So we can put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about 2x. This one that is about number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. So this one we change for u. 2x plus number 3 dx we change for du. The integration of this one that is about Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u that is about this one. Now we need to focus on this one. So number 3 that is about number 2 multiplied by 3 over 2. So in this one we need to add about 3 over 2 square. Later that we need to minus about 3 over 2 square. So we calculate this one and we have 13 over number 4. So this one that is about identities. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus 3 over 2 equals to the square root of number 13 over number 2 secant of t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 13 over number 4 secant of t square, number 13 over number 4, and 13 over number 4. We can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus number 1, we change for tan t square, and later that we simplify by dx. Now we can do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here. dx we change for this one. So this one we have 13 over number 4 secant of t square. So we can do about factorization by 13 over number 4. So this one, that is about 10t squared. And now we simplify 10t, 10t. So this one, that is about 1 over cosine t. This one, that is about sine t over cosine t. And now we need to simplify cosine t, cosine t. So we simplify the numbers in here, and that is about number 8 with the square root of number 13 over 13. This one, that is about cosecant of t. The integration of this one, that is about negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by this one. And now we can find the value of t. So I will put this one to change for t. So we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. And this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.